Fibonacci time menu commands. The first is time retracement. And to implement this, you left click on a high, right click on a low, and it measures the retracement ratios that you have selected in the Fibonacci time ratio sets from the last click point. And in the book we explain that time retracements should be done from, well, most Fibonacci ratio projections should be done from at least 2 levels of swing, one internal and with a longer chart, one external. But let's, well, before we clear it, let's demonstrate something else. When you start doing a lot of Fibonacci analysis in particular, things tend to get cluttered. But you can move the clickable locations around, and you can eliminate individual lines by clicking on it. You can see a little catch bar. Our catch bar goes on the bottom and hitting the delete key. So in addition to eliminating all time retracements or all annotations, you can eliminate individual lines and eliminate them by deleting them. The next Fibonacci time method is parallel projections. And to implement this, you can do this 2 ways. The first way we'll demonstrate is you want to do a measured swing. We'll left click on the high, right click on the low, and the third click you can put anywhere else on the chart, and in this case we'll move over to this high, and it'll project this measured swing using, again, the ratios in the Fibonacci time ratio set for parallel projections forward in time. The other method, or the other way you can use the time parallel projections, is to measure the distance between, in this case, a high and a high, and then click on the intervening low. And that gives us a projection of the measured swing between the highs measured from the low point in this case. It could just as easily be 2 lows and a high. And again, this is something you'd want to do from 2 degrees 2 if you have sufficient data on your chart to do it. And again, you can move things around and delete them if it starts to get too sloppy, or just clear all annotations. In the next video, we're going to cover the roadmap menu commands.